Welcome to rebuild2. It's a game I've already started, but now I'm going to get a new one. Wait. Oh, it's not weird with a mustache. I'm pretty sure it's just going to be the same ones. In case you ask, yes, it does battle weapons, but what I have. Oh, just so you know, it's a free game, just write it in on Google. See. That's me, man. My name is Soaphead, and I am the last man alive. I have been on the move for so long, burying on those things, those monsters that used to be human. They were bakers, programmers, teachers, neighbours. They sniffed the air like clothes, and their dead eyes watch endlessly for the movement of their prey, me. I'm doing a few supplies of my trusted dog, so I'm tired, but I have to get to the city before night. Let's see, where's going to get this coming up to our dog? Typical, pretty easy, continue. Right, so the aim of the game is to extend that place for the whole village. First thing I'm going to do, it's got no food, I've got 75 already. So the here is kill zombies. Right. Really, no food. Please be lots of food. Yes, lots of food. There's zombies. Oh, it's a pig! Yeah, people stupid. Oh. Yeah, I'm not going to do that mission yet. Nothing happened. Okay. It's hard. Those all wall. The zombies were killed, they just reclaim. I should have the warriors. Please don't say I've got everything but me. So you're going to gargle start. I don't like that. Nothing happened today. Restrict someone almost died. Yeah, we've got a lab. Oh no, just to kill the zombies in the wall. Double click to skip, you get no deaths. It's really fun. Nobody was hurt. Starve the trader. It looks like capitalism is still alive and well. A merchant named Gustav came by today in a heavily armoured caravan. We traded him some electronic scraps for a couple of bags of rice. Today, yay, the zombies were killed. Oh, I don't like him. What do you mean? Ooh, that's close. Let's see, there's only condition no, because that gets their happiness up. Okay. Oh, last judgment gang. I hate them, they disguise. He does that all the time. No defense requires level 3 builder. You're actually going out. Oh, the suburbs. Okay. I really need a hospital. It's hazardous. Start in the 13s. Oh yeah, look at them there. The zombies were killing. Time to reclaim it. Yeah. I think that. Oh, I think that's good. Wait, what a quick thing a second. Muffet! Funny name for a cute dog. If you want to see what they're like, they're not really that bad. Okay. The rifts. Okay. Yeah, no food. I'm gonna get some people to go in and scout in the 17. Let's see if she's dead. Oh, she's not. Okay, hospital. No food. Screw it. Look at this place. Let's scout a bit to the lab from ND18. Nothing happened. No food. No, this time. Survive. There's one person. There's one survivor. There wouldn't be. Scout. There. Zombie attack. No problem. Starvation of food. Oh yeah. They're eating scraps and stuff like that. I feel sorry for them. I really hope there's food. Those things get on my nerves, they happen all the time. We fended them off for another day, subhead. Starvation, I heard about them. We watched over the houses. The squad killed Zed around the fort. I saw one of them kill 2 zombies with a katana. A fucking sword! That's how badass the riffs are. Food spotted. Hey, there's be lots of food. Yes. I'm sending people out on a mission. You die, kid Phillips. Okay. I'm just gonna put some zombies. They're good to go out. Nobody died, that's good. No problem. Sounds they're all dying of starvation now. Zombie health, certain zombies killed, that's good, they can be claimed there. See him putting Nikolai Thunder. I don't care about starvation. Don't care. Oh yay. There won't be any starvation after I kill the zombies at Joe's. Right, so there's the zombie horde. Right, let's have a big zombie attack. Zed made a mess. And Nikolai. And Carlos. Yay, reclaiming! Reclaiming is fun! I'm just desperate. Okay, so maybe the riffs are good, but Last Judgment Gang, they're not very good. Handouts, got 3 food. Zombie attack, skip. They're living in the stars, 1 yard away. They're pain in the face. Oh no, the students put on bombs. Forever, always poo. Listen to all the people to repairs and zombies, but it's barely any zombies. Okay, handlers. Let's reclaim it now. There's a survivor, so let's go down everywhere where there's survivors next. Let's get that nothing happened, I really like that. I heard approaches. I'm going to live somewhere, I think. We only lost the suburban farm. That's actually quite a lot. So you can't see only the survivors. Okay, done. The survivors. Maybe the survivor are going to come. So it's hopefully that's 4 that can do it. So they shouldn't do items do it. Okay, yeah, there's other people killed in the criminal place. We claim them because they're a survivor, and survivors are awesome because they're so awesome. Like, seriously? They're a laboratory? Oh, please. What? That's crazy. Got 2 different ones. There's one survivor there. There's only 2 first. There's a way for one more day. He'll be back. He's back there. Yeah. This guy. Stupid person dying on my watch. No, I failed. Okay. Try again. No thanks. We're survivors. Oh, so that's why I failed. Subhead died. City of Doomtown. Top survivor. 0 living survivors, 10 dead survivors. 0 text research. Okay, so that was rebuild part 1. Like everything, enjoy. Subscribe for more. Bye. Whatever I make, I'll just video whenever I can. Bye.